how to arrange fractions from least to greatest. So meron tayong two ways to arrange fractions from least to greatest. First one is to convert to decimals, and then second one is convert to similar fractions. When we say similar fractions, all the denominators are equal or same numbers. Okay, so for number 1, we have 4 over 7, 6 over 7, and 5 over 7. So tingnan natin ang denominator. Lahat ng denominators natin ay 7 lahat. Dahil 7 lahat ng denominator natin, ang pinakamaliit dyan ay yung pinakamaliit na numerator. So, i-arrange lang natin yung numerator from least to greatest. So, therefore, the correct arrangement from least to greatest is 4 over 7. So, this is the least. And then next is 5. So, we have 5 over 7. And then the largest is 6 over 7. Okay, so next number, we have 4 over 5, 3 over 4, and 2/3. So arrange this from least to greatest. We need to convert to similar fractions. So the denominators are 5, 4, and 3. What is the LCD or LCM, least common multiple of 5, 4, and 3? So the least common multiple, we just multiply. 5 times 4 is 20 times 3, that is equal to 60. So we need to convert the denominators to 60. If we will use the similar fractions, another way is to convert this to decimal. Okay, so let's convert first to similar fractions. So let's make the denominator all 60. Okay, and then let's just solve the numerator. So let's just divide this. 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5, that is equal to 12. And then 12 multiply the numerator. 12 times 4, that is equal to 48. Okay, next 60, let's divide this to 4. 60 divided by 4, that is equal to 15. And then multiply the numerator. 15 times 3, that is equal to 45. And then last, we have 60, divide to the denominator. So 60 divided by 3, that is equal to 20. And then multiply the numerator. 20 times 2 is 40. So now, we can arrange from least to greatest. So the least is 40. So 40 over 60, that is 2/3. So to arrange this, so we have 2/3 is the least. Second is 40, 45, 88. So 45 over 60 or 3/4 is the next number. So 3/4, and then the largest is 48 over 60, and that is 4/5. So we have 2/3, 3/4, and 4 over 5. Okay, so next number, we have 3/4, 4, 6, and 7 over 12. Find the LCD. The LCD of 4, 6, and 12 is the largest denominator, 12. Since 12 since 12 is divisible by 4 and 6. So the LCD is 12. We need to convert 3/4 and 4/6 to denominator of 12. So let's convert. So we have 3/4 convert to denominator of 12, and then 4/6. So we just rewrite 7 over 12. So we have 7 over 12. Compute the numerator. So 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. Multiply the numerator. 3 times 3, that is 9. And then 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2. Multiply the numerator. 2 times 4, that is 8. Now, arrange from least to greatest. The least is 7 over 12. Next number is 8 over 12, that is 4 over 6. Or we can reduce this. This is 2/3. And then the largest is 9 over 12, that is 3/4. Okay, so this is the arrangement from least to greatest. 7 over 12, 4 over 6, and then 3/4. So let's try number 4. Comment nyo ang inyong sagot.